Lithium, applications and potential. What makes lithium unique? Lithium has the highest specific heat capacity among solids. It has a high electrochemical potential. It has a low atomic mass. And it has a low atomic density. Due to this unique combination of properties, lithium directly affects our everyday lives as the most efficient medium for energy storage. These are some of the applications that lithium has today. The most common application of lithium is in batteries. Of these batteries, the most common uses are smartphones, tablets, and laptops. For example, did you know that almost 95% of the batteries used in portable electronic devices are lithium-based? However, the largest amount of lithium is used in the batteries of hybrid and electric vehicles, buses, motorcycles, and bicycles, among others. Lithium-ion batteries have become the leading product in the battery industry. In the early 1990s, Sony introduced the lithium-ion battery. Since then, the production has increased at rates above 30% per year on average, surpassing the production of all other battery types. Where can we find lithium? Lithium is abundant and spread all over the world. In total, there are reserves of more than 180 million tons of lithium carbonate equivalent LCE in hard rock mineral and salt brine deposits. 65% of these lithium reserves are found in South America's continental salt brine deposits. When it comes to current lithium supply, the majority is produced in countries with stable economies and governments. It is abundant and economically viable in salt brines, as well as in hard rock minerals. For example, Australia has become the second largest producer, after Chile, extracting lithium only from its hard rock deposits. What factors are currently pushing lithium demand to grow? Demand growth driver number 1, oil dependency. We live in a world dependent on oil-producing countries, many of which are politically unstable. There is a general climate of uncertainty about oil supply, pushing the oil industry to resort to expensive and environmentally questionable technologies like fracking and deep offshore drilling. Yet, as our planet's population continues to grow, so does its need for transportation. We face an urgent global demand for more efficient energy storage solutions, and lithium has positioned itself as the key solution. Demand growth driver 2, global warming. Global warming is an important issue that affects all of us. CO2 emissions are the principal cause of global warming. In 2009, transportation accounted for approximately 1/4 of all energy-related carbon dioxide emissions. Experts estimate the cumulative CO2 emissions over the next 25 years will increase long-term average temperature by 6.3 degrees Fahrenheit, which will profoundly change our world as we know it. We must reduce worldwide carbon emissions. Experts agree that electrifying transportation with lithium battery-powered vehicles will contribute significantly to the reduction of CO2 emissions in the near future. Demand growth driver 3, massification of mobile consumer devices. Real-time access to information through smartphones, tablets, and laptops, among others, has become a priority in our everyday lives. These gadgets are becoming increasingly more affordable. Furthermore, we have a rapidly growing population in emerging economies such as China, India, and Brazil that have an increased purchasing capacity. 95% of the batteries used in these electronic devices are lithium-based, making this an important growth driver for the lithium industry. What does the future of lithium look like? The hybrid and electric vehicle industries address our need for transportation solutions that don't rely solely on oil and that don't contribute to the global warming problem. A hybrid electric vehicle, such as the new Toyota Prius, uses between 0.8 and 2 kilograms of lithium. As of June 2012, this new Prius plug-in hybrid became the third best-selling car in the world, while a plug-in electric vehicle such as the General Motors Volt uses between 1 and 10 kilograms of lithium. A purely electric vehicle such as Nissan's Leaf uses between 8 kilograms and 40 kilograms of lithium. Demand growth in the electric vehicle industry is projected to go from approximately 398,965 vehicles in 2012 to approximately 16,127,500 vehicles in 2025. This means a lithium demand growth in this industry that goes from approximately 5,305 tons LCE in 2012 to approximately 181,628 tons LCE in 2025. Let's look at the demand numbers for lithium-ion batteries in portable devices. Smartphones. The lithium content in the battery of a smartphone is 2 to 3 grams LCE. The total lithium consumption through July 2012 of this industry was 1,400 tons of LCE. In 2025, it is projected to be over 9,221 tons LCE. Tablets. The lithium content in the battery of a tablet is 20 to 30 grams LCE. The total lithium consumption through July 2012 of this industry was 2,500 tons LCE. In 2025, it is projected to be 17,722 tons LCE. Laptops. The lithium content in the battery of a laptop is 30 to 40 grams LCE. The total lithium consumption through July 2012 of this industry was 21,800 tons LCE. In 2025, it is projected to be 36,972 tons LCE. Looking at the big picture of the lithium market, the demand growth is mostly driven by its applications in the battery and transportation sectors. The total lithium demand forecast from 2011 to 2025 is expected to grow at over 10% per year. Lithium is a fundamental material to give an answer to some of the most pressing issues of our time. To find out more about how to invest in lithium, visit globalxfunds.com/lithium ETF. Global X Funds, innovative ETFs.
Carefully consider the fund's investment objectives, risks, and charges and expenses. This and other information can be found in the fund's prospectus by calling 1-888-GXFUND1 or by visiting globalxfunds.com. Please read the prospectus carefully before investing.